Hello viewers, I am Maithili. Today we are going to see 11 CBSE Maths Linear Inequalities exercise 6.3 question number 1. Let's see the question. Solve the following inequalities graphically. So we need to solve by graphical method. Here they have given x is greater than or equal to 3, x is greater than or equal to 2. We are going to take let x is equal to 3 and same way y is equal to 2. We are going to draw a graph for x is equal to 3. We know that x is 3, so if we substitute any value of y, x will be equal to 3. If I substitute 0, x will be 3. If I substitute 1, x will be 3. The same way here also, if I substitute any value of x, y will be 2. So 0, 1. Let me draw the graph for this two equation. Here I have marked the x-axis and y-axis. Here I am going to draw the graph of x is equal to 3. Now we know that 3, 0 and 3, 1. So if I extend this graph, it will be like a straight line parallel to y-axis. Yes, if it is x is equal to, it will be parallel to y-axis. The same way for y is equal to, it will be parallel to, yes, x-axis. Now let me plot another graph. 0, 2. 1, 2. So if I extend this graph, so this is my graph of y is equal to 2. So this is the graph of x is equal to 3 and this is the graph of y is equal to 2. Now we need to draw the inequality graph. For that, take any point. I am going to take 0, 0 as my point. It can be on this side or this side. The same way it can be this side or this side. I am going to take a 0, 0. If I substitute it in the equation, substitute 0, 0. As there is no y value, I am just substituting the value of x as 0. So 0 is greater than or equal to 3. No, 0 is not greater than or equal to 3 as it is false. So we know that the graph will be for x is equal to 3. This is your x is equal to 3. This is false, so it should be against the 0, 0. It will be away from the point. So your graph marking should be here. So it is away from 0, 0. Same way I am going to substitute it for equation here. Y is greater than or equal to 2. Substitute 0, 0. If I substitute 0, 0, it becomes 0 is greater than or equal to equal to 2. Same way, even this is false. So it is the same way, it is against the point 0, 0. So it can't be here, it should be on the above. So your shading should be on the top. You can see that in this place both the graph intersects. It is clear that this place both the graphs meet, intersect. It is away from the origin. Both the cases it is away from the origin. Therefore, thus the common shaded region shows the solution of the inequality. So that's all with the sum. Thank you.